The Whynter 14,000 BTU dual-hose portable air conditioner emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of portable cooling solutions. With a robust cooling capacity, innovative self-evaporation technology, and multifunctional features, this appliance offers a compelling blend of power, efficiency, and user-friendly design. As we delve into its key attributes, from cooling performance to technical specifications, it becomes evident that this air conditioner is poised to deliver effective climate control for spaces up to 500 square feet. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cooling performance. This air conditioner impresses with its powerful cooling capacity of 14,000 BTU, AshRay, and 9,500 BTU, SACC. It efficiently cools spaces up to 500 square feet, providing relief in varying ambient conditions. The unit operates quietly, boasting a noise level of less than 56 decibels, ensuring a comfortable and undisturbed environment. Number 2. Innovative self-evaporation. Equipped with a dual-hose system, this air conditioner incorporates advanced self-evaporation technology. The patented auto-drain function effectively exhausts condensate in most environments, offering hassle-free maintenance. With a dehumidifying capacity of 71 pints per day, it contributes to maintaining optimal indoor humidity levels. Number 3. Multifunctional and energy efficient. Featuring 3 operational modes: cool, dehumidify, and fan. This air conditioner offers versatile functionality. The full thermostatic control, 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, allows precise temperature management. The appliance operates with an eco-friendly mindset, using CFC-free green R32 refrigerant. With a maximum power consumption of 1,300 watts, it proves to be energy efficient. Number 4. Easy setup and portability. Setting up this air conditioner is a breeze due to the extendable exhaust hose, up to 60 inches, and a user-friendly window kit. The unit's dimensions make it conveniently portable, providing flexibility in room placement. The activated carbon air filter and washable pre-filter enhance air quality, adding to the overall user convenience. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 16 inches depth by 19 inches width by 35.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Whynter 14,000 BTU dual-hose portable air conditioner stands as a reliable and efficient choice for individuals seeking versatile cooling solutions. Its blend of powerful performance, innovative features, and ease of use make it a standout in the portable air conditioning market. Whether cooling, dehumidifying, or simply circulating air, this appliance excels, offering a compact and portable solution for maintaining comfort in diverse environments. With Whynter's commitment to quality and functionality, this air conditioner proves to be a noteworthy investment for those in search of effective and convenient climate control. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.